Hi children, good morning. In the last class you have learned about divisibility rule by 2. Once again I am repeating, see. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. For 2 table, what we had to see, if it is divisible by 2, now I am giving one number. Suppose a 3-digit number means it easy to divide. Suppose if I given a 7-digit number or 8-digit number like that, then it is so horrible to do the division. Now I am giving one division for you. For example, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now what is the division I have given, Nana? 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is a how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a 7-digit number. Now 7-digit number we have to divide by 2. Means what you are doing? You are doing like this. Yes or no? You are doing that process like this. So then you are getting so much of process. Yes or no? You are getting so much of process. But I am telling in easy method. In easy method I am telling. See, for it is divisible by 2 or not. We have to check. Now, for in 2 table, what are the numbers we are getting in the ones place? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay children, in the ones place we have to get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then only it is divisible by 2. Okay, now I am saying, what is the number I given, Nana? 75 lakhs 43,210. What is the number I given, Nana? 75 lakhs 43,210. Now we have to find out whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Now see, in easy method I am telling. In the easy method I am telling whether it is divisible by 2 or not. In the ones place or units place. We can call ones place or units place. What is the number in the ones place? 0. What is the number we got it here? 0. That 0 we got it here. See, check the number. 0 we got it here. Yes, we got 0 here. So that's why the total number is divisible by 2. The total number is divisible by 2. So write that number. D2. In the, all of you note down now, in the units place we get 0. In the units place we get 0. So it is divisible by 2. How much time do you get? Only 2 seconds like that. You completed or not? Now see, it is the easy process to find out divisions. Okay children, do you understand? That's why we are using divisibility rules. Okay, do you understand for 2 table? Again I am telling once again, one more example. See. Suppose if they given here 5. If they given here 5. So what is the number they given, Nana? 75 lakhs 43,215. What is the number I given, Nana? 75 lakhs 43,215. Now this number is divisible by 2 or not? See, in the units place, what is the number we got it here? 5. In the units place, what is the number we got it here? 5. Now check the number here. We got it 5 here. We got 5 here? No, we didn't get the 5 here. So the total number is also not divisible by 2. Okay children, you understand? Here in the units place we got 5. So the total number is also not divisible by 2. D2. In the units place we get 5. So it is Once again I am telling, in the ones place we got it here 5. So the total number is not divisible by 2. Okay? D2. In the units place we get 5. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay children? Do you understand? Now, do you know? Now you learn about 2 table. Now what is the next table? 3 table. See. The next table is 3 table. Divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 3. Divisibility rule for 3. Now, divisibility rule for 3. What we have to see here? The sum of the multiples of the digits is the multiple of 3. See Nana, the sum of the digits is the multiple of 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3 Nana? See, the sum of the digits, the sum means what we had to do here? Addition. What we had to do here? Addition. The sum means we had to add of the digits. What are the digits they have given? Those digits we had to add. Is the multiple of 3. After adding the digits we get the number. That number must be divisible by 3. Is the multiple of 3. Okay children, do you understand? Again I am repeating, the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits. Sum means what we had to do here? Addition. The sum means what we had to do here? Addition. Okay Nana? Sum means what we had to do here? Addition. The sum of the digits is the multiple of 3. By adding all the numbers we get one number. That number must be a multiple of 3. Okay children, what are the multiples of 3? What are the multiples of 3? Already you learned in the 5th class. What are the multiples of 3 Nana? 3, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, so on. Okay children, do you know the multiples of 3? Means 3 table. Multiples of 3 means we have to write here 3 table. What is the 3 table? What we get Nana? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. These are the multiples of 3. Okay children, do you understand? What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. These are the multiples of 3. Okay. Now, let us see one example. Let us see one example. For D3. Okay. For example, I am giving 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay children, what is the number I given here? 65,432. What is the number I given here? 65,432. I have given the number here. For this number we had to find out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. Now, what I told, the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits. These are the digits. Yes or no? It is how many digit number? It is a 5 digit number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already I told in the first class. I told about digits. Okay. Now, how many digit number? It is a 5 digit number. For this 5 digit number, we had to add the numbers. Means sum of the digits I told no. Sum means we have to add the numbers. Means 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Okay children, we have to add all the digits. Now, by adding all the numbers, what is the answer we got it here? Add 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, how much? 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. What is the answer we got it here, Nana? 20. Now, once again count. 6 plus 5, how much? 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So, what is the answer we got it here? 20. Now, what I told in that, the multiple, the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means, see here, what is the answer we got it here? 20. Now, 20 is there here. 20 we got it in the 3 table. Multiple of 3 we got it? No, we didn't get. So, the total number is not divisible by 3. Right here. The number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 is not divisible by 3. Okay children, do you understand? Once again I am telling, see, why? Because I am telling means it is very important for you. That's why I am repeating so many times. Okay, once again I am repeating, see, what is the D2 means, D3 means what we have to tell, the sum of the digits is the multiple of 3. The sum of the digits is the multiple of 3. Means what we have to do here? First we had to take the digits. Those digits we had to add. Okay, Nana? 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, total by adding all the numbers, how much we got it? 20. Now, the number 20 is the multiple of 3? No, the number 20 is not multiple of 3. So, the number 65,432 is not divisible by 3. Okay children, do you understand? I think. Now, once again I am telling one more example for you. See. Okay. Now, what we had to do? All these numbers we had to add. So, take here 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. Okay children? 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. By adding all these numbers, how much we got it? See, add the numbers. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. How much you got it, Nana? 21. Now, once again I am telling, see, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. So, how much you got it? The answer, Nana? 21. Now, 21 we got the multiple of 3. Yes, we got it here. 21 we got it here. So, the total number 632 is divisible by 3. The number 55,632 is divisible by 3. Okay children, do you understand 2 table and 3 table? I think all of you understand this one. Okay, once all of you note down this one.